Hey, what's up, y'all? Uh, what I want to do on this video is just give you a little insight into my mobile software platform. Had to think of the name. That's the name Chat GPT told me to use. Mobile software platform. It's a mobile application that's currently on the App Store, but the name of the platform, the mobile software platform, is called Fashcomp. Same name as the page. Fashcomp is short for fashion competitions. On the Fashcomp mobile app or mobile software platform, users can either create, publish, and manage digital fashion competitions on the app via a monthly subscription that costs $39.99 a month. But once you secure that subscription, you're allowed to create as many competitions as you can handle. You get a real bang for your buck, man. You're paying $39.99, and you can launch as many competitions as you can physically handle. Now, each competition that you publish, you can set an entry fee for your competition. It's the same thing as you're doing a physical event. You're going to promote the event and you're going to have an entry fee for the event. That's how you make money, because you have to make the money back that you spent producing the whole event. Number one, the money that you spent running the location to do the event. Same thing on the Fashcomp mobile app, but all you're paying is $39.99 a month. You don't have any other expenses related to the platform. Now, what I would suggest that you invest in a Chat GPT or some type of AI platform. You need an AI platform. It's just so beneficial to running a business online or running any type of business in the year 2026 right now, man. You need some type of AI, assistance. If you don't think you need it, then I totally understand. But from my point of view, I would say invest in ChatGPT or some other AI platform. A paid subscription. And that's the only expenses that you'll run into initially. You have other expenses with running a business, but as far as on the platform, you're going to pay that $39.99. Now you're allowed to create as many competitions as you want. And you can monetize your competitions via entry fees. You have advertising space on your competition page in the form of your scoring chart. Your scoring chart is comprised of 11 spaces. 10 spaces can be used for advertising spaces as well as your scoring chart, because each space has a point value. Space 1, point value is 15 points. That's an advertising space because you can upload the name of a fashion brand. For example, all Nike products. You always want to say all Nike products. That way, if anybody in your competition is wearing Nike products, they'll receive 15 points for it. You want to upload a photo of the Nike brand. This is what I would suggest. And this with Chat GPT is perfect for this. They can handle it. You want to have a square image, the background of the Nike store, and you want your text on it to say, all Nike products, point value 15 points. So when someone is scrolling through and they see that, they'll know how much Nike products is, how much space 1, the point value on space 1 is, and if they're interested in clicking on Nike products, they can just click on it because you're also adding a link. So let me back up. Let me say that again. On each space on your scoring chart, you're going to add the name of the brand, all Nike products or all Supreme products, whatever space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is. Next, you're going to upload a photo. I just gave you the formula for uploading a photo. Whatever the product is, you tell ChatGPT, make the background an image of the store. Next, on the text, put all Supreme products or all Adidas products. Point value, either 15 points if it's space 1, space 2 would be 14, space 3 would be 13, and so on until you get to space 10. Space 11 is always lifestyle products. We have lifestyle products because if the participant in your competition is wearing an item that doesn't correspond with any of the brands listed in space 1 through 10, then by default, it fits under lifestyle products. You see how we keep everything within the fashion terminology? All the spaces on your scoring chart is comprised of fashion brands. Space 1 would be Nike. Space 2 would be Supreme products. Space 3 would be Adidas. Space 4 would be Fear of God. Space 5 would be Puma. Space 6 would be North Face. Space 7 would be New Balance. Space 8 would be Timberlands. Space 9 would be Asics. Space 10 would be Telfair. Space 11, lifestyle. If the participant is wearing an item that doesn't fit in any other fashion brands from space 1 through 10, then by default, it fits under space 11, lifestyle products, which is worth 3 points. Space 1 through 10, the point scale ranges from 15 points for space 1 down to 6 points for space 10. Space 11 is worth 3 points, always. We call them spaces because they're advertising spaces, comprised of fashion brands. So you can make money from your entry fees, and you can make money from selling ad space on your scoring chart. Now, you also have a bonus products chart. All your bonus products are worth 25 points, hence bonus products. Now, this is how you set your bonus products up. The same way you set your scoring chart up, but you go all Air Jordan 5s. That would be one product. Or all UGG boots. That would be another product. Or you can go all Timberland boots. The difference with the scoring chart is all Timberland products. Your bonus products is all Timberland boots. You understand what I'm saying? So, say for example, if a participant is wearing some Timberland boots, they're going to get whatever the point value for all Timberland products is, and they're going to get that 25 points because all Timberland boots is on the bonus products chart. I know it's a lot to remember. I know I'm giving y'all a lot, but I just wanted to share that with you. Every day we're going to share some more, but this is a money play. Now, the participants who are supporting your competition, they get to upload a photo. They get to upload a full body photo. They want to showcase up to 5 items that they're wearing. It's set up exactly like an e-commerce platform is. An e-commerce platform that sells fashion and apparel. When you go to an e-commerce platform that sells fashion and apparel, you're going to see a picture of the product or a photo or image of a model wearing the product. You're going to see a brief description of the product, and you're going to see how much the product costs. You get the same thing in a DFC competition on Fashcomp, a DFC event on Fashcomp, because it's digital fashion competitions. So it's not a digital fashion competition. It's a digital fashion competition event. We shorten it up and say DFC event. But you get the same thing. I followed that same blueprint as an e-commerce platform that sells apparel and fashion. Participants in DFC events on Fashcomp can do the same thing. But now, instead of just advertising one product, they're advertising a whole fit. They're advertising maybe the Nike hoodie with some designer jeans, with some Timberland boots. Maybe you know, a puffer jacket, a North Face puffer jacket, their glasses, they can upload up to 5 items. List the brand slash product name of the item. List the website where users can find the item. And list how much the item costs. Everything that you can do on an e-commerce site. You can do it in a competition, but now viewers get to see a whole outfit instead of just one product that they're going to see on that e-commerce site. They get inspiration on how to put an outfit together with those Timberlands they just bought. This is what you can do as a fashion athlete on the Fashcomp mobile app. So we have the Fashcomp Pros, those are individuals who invest in that subscription that allows them access to tools to create, publish, and manage competitions. And then you have your fashion athletes. And this is what I did with the fashion athletes. Now I'm not going to use the word afforded. I purposely added more revenue generating monetization tools. I'll use that word. Monetization tools for my fashion athletes, the people, the individuals, the community members, the people, individuals, and community members, because they're all wearing those titles. I purposely added more tools for them to monetize their brand, their fashion athlete brand in a DFC. Now they're getting value for that money that they're spending supporting the Fashcomp Pro, the individual who's actually managing or who's actually creating, publishing, and managing the competition. We have to say those 3 words. Creating, because they create the competition, then they publish it, next they gotta manage it. So all the participants who support that competition, they can make money via tips. You have the tips icon on each and every post that you submit for a competition. Each competition that you enter, you're guaranteed 5 posts. It's always a 5-day competition. I suggest having 5 straight days. That way, you publish that competition, you on to the next competition. You don't want to string those days out. Monday through Friday. Or whatever, however you want to do it. If you want to do it Wednesday through Sunday, then it's up to you. My formula, Monday through Friday. Then you publish another competition. Or you do 2 competitions a month. But the individuals who are supporting your competition, they can generate money through tips, where other community members can support their posts, send them a tip directly through credit card. Now, everybody on the platform needs to create a Stripe account. This is how you collect your money. It's through Stripe. You need a Stripe account. Number 1. All right? Next, a way a fashion athlete can monetize on the Fashcomp mobile app is through subscriptions. All subscriptions, all community members, everybody who joins the Fashcomp mobile app has a subscription plan that's locked in at $4.99 a month. Now here's the key, here's the catch. In order to take advantage of that subscription plan, that $4.99 subscription plan, you have to participate in competitions, because this is where you're going to be able to submit premium photos to individuals who subscribe to your fashion athlete brand. And they're going to subscribe to your fashion athlete brand based off the competition photos that you submit. And you can also submit regular photos. I got a lot going on with this, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to drag this video out too long, because I'm going to give y'all guys some more comment. I just give y'all guys some more information, not comment. Give you guys some more information. I just wanted to share a little bit. Now, I knew I threw a lot at you today, but I'm going to give you some more, man. But it's all about showcasing fashion, following that same blueprint that the e-commerce websites / platforms, because you got some of them that are platforms that sell fashion / apparel, merchandise, which has the most online sales with consumer electronics. Everybody in the world wears some type of fashion. So the blueprint is written. We just added a little bit more, man. Because on Fashcomp, you're going to be able to see thousands of creative, unique fashion styles. Instead of just going to an e-commerce site where you see the products that they're selling, now you got to go back and put your own style together, which is cool too. So I know you can do it, but on Fashcomp, you'll be able to see different ways that people wear different products from all over the globe. It's going to be an amazing thing. All right, this is your man Fashcomp Kev. I am the owner of the Fashcomp mobile app. Just wanted to share some information with you guys, man, on a Sunday. Make sure when you get a chance to follow the channel, hit that subscribe button. Well, you have to hit the subscribe button to follow the channel, man. Or no, this is what. Subscribe to the channel. I used the wrong word. My apologies. Subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Hit that notification button so when I drop a video, you'll be notified. And if you like the video, hit the like button too, man. And leave a comment if you need some more information about Fashcomp, man. But this is going to be a major thing. This is going to be a major thing, man, for entrepreneurs, for fashion heads, anybody that has a passion for fashion. You got a closet full of clothes. This is a business for you, man. And it's a low startup business. The investment is very small compared to the investment that you make into your fashion items. All right, it's me, Fashcomp Kev. I am the owner of the Fashcomp mobile app. This is my channel, Fashcomp, and we're trying to get the channel up, man. So like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification button. I know this is the second time I said it, but I need to build my YouTube page up. You know, slowly. We doing it. It's coming, but, you know, I got to stay on it. I got to stay promoting it, man. So, once again, for the third time, man, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you'll get the notifications every time I drop a video. And if you like the video, send me a like, man. That counts too, all right? Enjoy your Sunday, man. I'm going to be on here every day giving you some more information because we're about to drop Fashcomp 2.0. Fashcomp 1.0 is in the App Store, but I done added a whole lot more tools, so we want Fashcomp 2.0 to drop. All right? Enjoy your Sunday, man. Enjoy the game. That's when I'm about to go home and watch the games, too. Peace.